Hello and welcome to Quick Maths with Mr. Johnson. In this video, let us learn rationalizing the denominator. Let's look at question number 1. Rationalize the denominator. 1 over root 3 means you have an irrational number at the denominator. So we need to turn it into a rational number so that further calculation or any simplification would be much easier. So that is the main purpose. Alright, so in order to rationalize this denominator of root 3, we will just multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 3. So 1 times root 3 and root 3 multiplied by root 3. Then you are going to get 1 times root 3 is root 3. And when we multiply root 3 with root 3, that's going to give us root 9, which is just as 3. So there we go. Our denominator is a rational number now. Let us go to question number 2. Rationalize the denominator. Let's multiply the denominator and the numerator by root 12. And let us write the numerator as root 2 times. Now, if you've studied surds, we can write root 12 as the product of one of the square numbers times any other factor of 12. So one of the numbers must be a square number. So in this case 4 is a square number. So we can write that as root 4 times root 3 all over root 12 times root 12 is just 12. And then let's tidy up the numerator part. If you look at square root of 4, that gives us 2, and then we have root 2 root 3 over 12. And then when we simplify the numerator and the denominator, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, and our final answer is root 2 root 3 over 6. Question number 3. Rationalize the denominator and give your answer in its simplest form. The two questions A and B. In these two, there's something called conjugate. That means we change the negative sign to positive and positive negative. Okay. So let me just explain the first one. 1 over 3 minus root 5. We multiply the top and the bottom by 3 plus root 5. 3 plus root 5. This is the same as a square minus b square. That gives us a plus b times a minus b. And then if you look at the denominator, you will understand. So let's first tidy up the numerator. 3 plus root 5. And then this gives us 3 minus root 5 times 3 plus root 5. Okay, this is the same as a plus b times a minus b, and the result is a square minus b square. So if 3 is a and root 5 is b, so our denominator will be, let me first write the numerator, 3 plus root 5 over a square, which is 3 square is 9, and minus b square, which is root 5 times root 5 is root 25, and root 25 is 5. And then that will give us 3 plus root 5 all over 4. And that is our answer for A. Okay, let's look at question B. So that's going to be 3 over 2 plus root 5 times 2 minus root 5, and the denominator as well, 2 minus root 5. So what happens on the top part, we will have 3 times 2 minus root 5 over, now I'm going to do directly over here, unlike question A. 2 times 2 is 4, and minus root 5 times root 5 is 5. And now let us expand the bracket. That's going to be 3 times 2 is 6, and then minus 3 of root 5 over 4 minus 5 is minus 1, and then dividing by minus 1 will change the signs. Okay, so positive 6 will become negative 6, negative 3 will become positive 3 root 5. So there we go. Okay, thank you very much.